Hi, everyone. This is Heidi Green, author of the blog Living a Blissful Life here on HealthyPlace. And today I'm going to be talking about New Year's resolutions and why New Year's resolutions can oftentimes be so unsuccessful. I was thinking about some of my own resolutions from past years and how truly unsuccessful many of them have been. And that really got me thinking about why and how I could do things differently this year to set myself up for success. So I wanted to share with you what I came up with. I think for me, New Year's resolutions in the past have maybe been similar to some of the resolutions that you've had, things like eating healthier or exercising more. And part of the problem for me with those resolutions is it was something that I was planning on doing later, right? Like it was this date in the future, and that's when I was going to start doing this, drastically different thing with the way that I live my life. And I really was not prepared. I didn't have the commitment to it, first of all. It was a thing that I wanted to change, but truly not a thing that I was prepared or committed to make giant changes around. And I also was procrastinating really by setting this date out in the future. It allowed me to not think about it, not set myself up, not prepare myself to make changes. And my goals were just too ambitious. I think when you say you're going to make some sort of drastic life change and that it's going to begin on this date in the future, and you're just going to go from living the way that you live right now to this radically new way of doing your life, that's just not really setting you up for success. And so I think it can be so much more helpful when really you recognize, okay, I am committed to this. It's not just a thing I want, but it's a thing I'm actually prepared to do differently. And then you come up with a game plan around that that isn't a radical shift from one day to the next, but is something that you build up to and that you do in small steps so that those changes are really manageable. So maybe instead of, taking on some fad diet that's really extreme, making small changes to your eating habits. And truly, if you really are committed, you won't wait till some date out in the future. You'll start doing it right now. You'll feel that internal commitment and you'll say, okay, what can I start doing immediately? And you'll start taking those small steps right away. So for me this year, all of my resolutions are around taking care of my mental health. So things like talking more kindly to myself, and really just challenging that inner critic that lives in my head, talking to myself more like a friend, giving myself the kind of grace that I give other people. And so that's a thing that I'm going to start doing, and that actually I have started doing because I did not wait until January 1st when I realized those were changes I wanted to make. I started making them right away. So I hope that you have a happy new year, and that if you set some resolutions, that you do it in a way that is attainable so that you can feel some success around them. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.